This instructional video is for downloading PDF collection in our library Opals catalog. From the APNTS library site. Log into your account. Enter your username under user ID, then click Login. Click the location search box. Select Online, which refers to our PDF collection. From your access point box, you can select anywhere, title, author, or subject. In the search term box, enter your keyword and click Search. The search results will be displayed. Click on the PDF title or titles of the resource you need. Once the full display appears, click here to view PDF to download the file. When downloading is complete, click Open. If the PDF file asks for a password, please contact the library staff at library@apnts.edu.ph for the password access. Please honor the copyright of the downloaded file. Enjoy reading. The keyword search helps you locate more easily the resource you need.